six-pack, and I have a full fucking beard too. Watch.
Yo, what's happening, everybody? So I'm gonna be working on a new kind of video that I'm gonna be adding to the channel now. I know this channel is centrically focused on car videos, but I'm gonna try to get it more open just to get a better audience, and plus it's stuff that I like to enjoy and things that I like to do. So it's gonna be evolved around fitness, still cars, mainly cars too, as well as traveling. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is just gonna be showing you guys my, so what we're gonna be working on is my dietary plan of what I'm gonna be eating from, basically, I went ahead and went to the grocery store last night with my girlfriend, and we got some food for a whole week. So I'm gonna be trying to be bulking, as well as hopefully getting some gym videos for you guys, so I hope you guys can enjoy that. So let's just go over what everything that I bought for that week. So we went ahead and prepared 5 meals each for us. So it's going to contain 1 cup of skinless chicken breast, as well as 2 cups of steamed rice, and that's going to be with every single one of these. Some of these containers are just kind of big, but yeah, so that's what's going to be just for a quick and easy meal. So those are going to be spread out through Monday through Friday, as well as my breakfast is going to include some bagels and a protein shake, which contains about 30 grams of protein per 2 scoops, as well as I'm going to put in either 1 or 2 scoops of peanut butter in there as well. So that's what I'm going to be having with my breakfast. I also got some of these protein bars. They contain about 12 grams of protein each one, so I'll have 5 of those as well. I'm going to be spreading those out through the day, just kind of like a little snack. And then what I'm going to be doing right now is just going to be making some late breakfast. My dog just had puppies right now, so that's what we've kind of just been dealing with right now. So getting a late breakfast right now. So let's go ahead and prepare that real quick. I'm just gonna go ahead and weigh myself real quick before I eat anything. And so the point of this is to be bulking. I want to gain at least 5 pounds by the end of the month. So today is July 22nd. So it should be pretty easy if I am consistent with this diet. So I'm at 137. So I'm gonna be trying to aim for at least 140, 141 is my least. So I'm trying to be at least 142 by the end of the month. So I'm hoping I can get that goal. Now let's get to cooking. Alright, so time for meal 2. You guys haven't seen me since the first meal, but this is what's going to be my second meal. It is just a cup of skinless chicken breast and 2 cups of steamed rice, as well as just some watermelon juice that I'm just going to be drinking on the side. And of course, gotta have some sriracha on here just to add that flavor so it's not so tasteless. Makes it a little bit better to eat. And some Pokemon on the side. Some oatmeal. Protein shake. This off to the gym. Fresh ass whip. Fresh ass whip.
Yes, hurry up.
Hello.
Hello.
Stop one.
Stop, bitch.
Your door, fool.
Right.
Wait, bitch.
I don't look cute right now. Stop it.
I'm gonna make these games.
Yeah, we're gonna make games. Bitch ass ambulance.
Good ass workout, my boy Juan. Juan couldn't take it no more.
My fucking biceps are shot. I've been to the gym forever, dude. I'm gonna get back on the grind. Watch. 6-pack, and I'll have a full fucking beard too. Watch.
I just understood what you said. It just registered.
Beach day, baby. So we're gonna
I wear some
right around 3 miles at the beach right now.
Oh yeah. We just ran 5 earlier.
Just kidding, we're gonna do cardio.